There it goes.
This is Craig with Grand Prairie Audio. We just finished a 2008 Avalanche, and we put the iPad, integrated the iPad in the dash. We also put a Clarion double-din radio that will process the music through the system. We've got a backup camera in it, and the main source though would be your iPad. So let me pop it out, show you how it comes out. You just pull this out. If you need to, take it inside and do any downloads, load any music on it or anything, and when you put it back in, you just slide it in, and lock it in place. We can go to our apps. If you wanted to go watch a movie on Netflix, you can do that. If you wanted to play around with some different apps, it comes through the stereo system. You can control your alarm system through it. If you have this inside, this is a smart start. It's hooked up to the Python 991. You can, if the alarm system goes off, you're carrying the iPad, it'll actually notify you through the iPad. It's got all kinds of cool stuff. You can use it as a navigation system, So we don't have nav on the Clarion, so you're running the nav through the. Maybe. So now you've got a 10-inch wide navigation screen. If you want to listen to your music, you have all your music.
No, we're gonna do the show, right? Yeah, I know. Lose to clean the bus, right?
Videos. We can also go to go back and go to movies. See what kind of movies we got on here. So if you want to see a movie through here, just